Hello everyone, finally I'm done with this 30 days phrases challenge. This is going to be the last day of this 30 days challenge. And literally speaking, I'm very happy that I am done with this 30 days phrases challenge. I'm uploading the videos with the consistency in this 30 days challenge for you guys for spoken English. If I can do it for teaching you guys can do it too. It is easy. It is not a big deal for you guys. It is very easy. It is like a piece of cake. And I'm very happy that I am done. And after having done with the tasks, what a sense of relief I cannot imagine, because it is making me happy that I am done. It was very tough to do. It was very hard, very challenging for me to complete this 30 days challenge, and finally I am done. Here guys, I am going to teach you the phrases of do. It is going to be the very interesting video, because here I am going to teach you the 10 phrases of this meaning. If we are adding some preposition or noun with this phrase, with this meaning, it is making very interesting meaning that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation easily without having any hesitation, that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation. Only this is how you guys can learn spoken English, because I can teach you. This is my work. I can teach you. This is very easy. It is up to you. How are you taking it? If you are taking down these phrases along with me, you will learn English easily. You will learn spoken English very fast. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, the phrase number first, that is do down. Do down means होता है नीचा दिखाना. So let's take 2 examples here. Example number 1, please don't do him down. यानी कि उसे नीचे मत दिखाओ. Example number 2, it's wrong to do down others only for just to make yourself फील बेटर. यानी कि अपने आप को, खुद को अच्छा महसूस कराने के लिए दूसरों को नीचा दिखाना गलत बात है. ओके, सो हियर आई हैव गिवन 2 एग्जांपल्स विद दिस मीनिंग, दैट इज डू डाउन. डू डाउन मींस होता है नीचा दिखाना. सो लेट्स कम इनटू द नेक्स्ट फ्रेज. गाइस, द फ्रेज नंबर 2, दैट इज डू डाउन, सॉरी, दैट इज डू ओवर. डू ओवर मींस होता है तोड़ फोड़ करना. सो लेट्स टेक 2 एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, द मैनी पीपल वर डूइंग ओवर द शॉप. यानी कि बहुत सारे लोग शॉप में तोड़ फोड़ कर रहे थे. ओके, लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर 2, दैट इज यू शुड नॉट हैव डन ओवर द चेयर. तुम्हें चेयर को तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए था. तुम्हें चेयर को नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए था. Okay, so here I have given 2 examples with this meaning. That is really interesting, isn't it? Okay, so let's take another phrase. Guys, the phrase number 3, that is do up. Do up means होता है बांधना, बंद करना. So let's take 2 examples here. Example number 1, do your coat up. यानी कि तुम अपने कोट को बंद कर लो. Okay, example number 2, my sister will do up राखी. यानी कि मेरी बहन ना मुझे राखी बांधेगी. Okay, so 2 examples ले लिए. So let's come to the next phrase. Guys, the phrase number 4, that is do dash away with. यानी कि किसी को किसी चीज के सहारे मौत के घाट उतारना. So let's take 2 examples here. Example number 1, he did him away with a gun. यानी कि उसने गन से उसे मौत के घाट उतार दिया. Example number 2, that is they were planning to do someone away with a knife. यानी कि वे प्लान कर रहे थे, वो लोग प्लान कर रहे थे किसी को नाइफ, चाकू से मारने का. Okay, so let's take another phrase. So guys, the phrase number 5, that is do out. Do out means होता है सजाना. So let's take 2 examples here. Example number 1, I will do my room. I will do out my room with the paintings. मैं अपने रूम को पेंटिंग्स से सजाऊंगा. Okay. Example number 2, that is I have done my house out with the flowers. मैं अपने हाउस को, अपने घर को फूलों से सजा चुका हूँ. So guys, the phrase number 6, that is do with. Do with means होता है लेना चाहना, किसी चीज को लेना चाहना. So let's take 2 examples. You will be able to understand by the examples. Sorry. Example number 1, would you like to do with a cup of coffee or tea? क्या तुम एक कप कॉफी या चाय लेना चाहोगे? Example number 2, I would like to do with these biscuits. मैं इन biscuits को लेना चाहूंगा. Okay, so let's take another phrase. Guys, the phrase number 7, that is do without. Do without means होता है के बिना काम चलाना. So let's take 2 examples here. Example number 1, I cannot do without my smartphone for a long time. मैं अपने स्मार्टफोन के बिना एक लंबे समय के लिए काम नहीं चला सकता. Example number 2, that is we had to do without any electricity for 2 days. हमें बिना लाइट यानी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के हमें 2 दिनों के लिए काम चलाना था. Guys, the phrase number 8, that is do someone a favor, यानी कि किसी पर एहसान करना. तो let's take 2 examples. You will be able to understand by the examples. Example number 1, can you do me a favor? Please help me to work upon this task. क्या तुम मुझ पर एहसान कर सकते हो मेरी हेल्प करके इस टास्क को खत्म करने के लिए. Example number 2, can you do me a favor and pick up that book? क्या तुम मुझ पर एहसान कर सकते हो, उस बुक को उठा दो प्लीज. Okay, so let's take another phrase. So guys, the phrase number 9, that is do in. Do in means होता है to exhaust or greatly affect someone or kill, यानी कि थक जाना. और इसका एक मतलब ये भी होता है कि किसी को बुरी तरह अफेक्ट करना, प्रभावित करना या उसको मारना. So let's take 2 examples. You will be able to understand by the examples. Example number 1, the suspect was done in by the police. Example number 2, to all that work really did me in, यानी कि उस काम ने मुझे थका दिया. Okay, so let's come into the last phrase. This is the final phrase, that is do justice to. Do justice to means होता है to represent someone fairly, यानी कि किसी को किसी चीज को fairly मतलब उस चीज की कीमत के अनुसार प्रेजेंट करना. Examples के अनुसार you will be able to understand by the examples. So let's take 2 examples. Okay. Example number 1, that is the painting doesn't do the justice with the artist's skill, यानी कि ये पेंटिंग है ना, आर्टिस्ट की स्किल जिस प्रकार की है ना, वो उस प्रकार की लग नहीं रही है. इसका मतलब ये हुआ. Guys, example number 2, I don't know my words can do justice for how much I appreciate your help. मुझे पता नहीं है गाइस कि मैं आपकी सहायता, आपकी मदद, वो जिस प्रकार से मैं अप्रिशिएट करना चाहता हूँ, क्या मेरे वर्ड्स वो अप्रिशिएट कर पाएंगे. ओके, तो ये हुआ. इसका मतलब आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट इट, दिस फ्रेज. ओके, इट वाज रियली टफ, इट वाज लिटिल बिट टफ phrase, okay, to understand, but you have got it maybe. Okay, so guys, I am done with this 30 days phrases challenge with the consistency, and I'm very happy, guys. So I am done with this 10 with these 10 phrases. If we are adding some preposition or meanings or noun with the meaning of do, so it is making very interesting meaning that we guys can use in our day-to-day life conversation. So guys, I have taught you. It is up to you. How are you taking it? If you are taking it serious, you will apply these phrases in your daily life and use in your day-to-day life conversation. Only this is how you guys can speak very good English and learn fastly. Okay, so guys, I am very happy after completion of this very challenging task for me. And if you will be able to done this, actually if you will be able to do this, you will also feel very happy, very satisfied you will feel. I am very amazed, guys. So guys, if you like my video, if you found something relevant by watching this video, by watching the 30 days phrase challenge, by watching my videos, please do comments on my videos and like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos. Have a good day. We'll meet in another very specific video. Bye.